Hi, presenter kit look today. I used everything from the presenter kit except I used pressed powder foundation for my foundation, and then I used everything that you get with the presenter kit. So the presenter kit, as many of you know, is on sale right now for a crazy ridiculous price, and some people have got it, so I wanted to show what you get in there and how you can use it. Also, if you're thinking about it, it'll show you exactly what's in there. Yeah, so first thing you get is Beachfront Bronzer, and this is one of my favorite products. I use it every time I put on makeup because I really like, I feel like it makes a really big difference to the shape of my face that I really enjoy. So basically I'm doing a contour under my cheeks and around the bottom of my jaw, and then up into my hairline too. And I really like the way it shapes my face. So I'm so happy they added this to the presenters kit because it makes the biggest difference for me, I feel. So I use this for contouring and adding a little warmth to my face. So besides that, you get the highlighter too, which is the opposite part of contouring. Contouring, you're adding shadow. This, you're adding a highlight. So the great thing about this highlight that you get is it's a stick. It's a cream to powder stick, and you literally just go like that and then blend it in. So it's super easy to use, and look at that. Yeah, I know. It's pretty awesome. I'm all about the contour and highlight, I think. It's so easy. Now you can use this with a brush too, if you want to add it like more precise areas, like under your brow. This looks nice there, just like that. So, or on your cupid's bow. I've already done the liquid lipstick that comes in there, so I won't do that. Don't want to make a mess. So, and then onto your eyes. So you get a palette with it. This palette is almost exactly what you get. This is Fervent, this is Agile, and this is Gentle, which is like a really nice champagne-y shimmer. Love the light shimmers. This one you don't get with it. You get a Shrewd, which is a gray shimmer, but I don't have that one for some reason, so I couldn't show you the whole palette. So I've just replaced this one with Discreet. So I put Discreet on all over my lid, and then I put Fervent, and the whole look I've done using this blending brush, which you get with it. So, because I don't do like really precise eyes, because my eyelids are so teeny tiny small. So I use this and I blend the colors together, and they need to come above my eyelid so that you can see it. And this is, I find, really works well without me going like all crazy, trying to get precise lines. And I'm not all about that. I'm all about slap it on, it looks nice. So Fervent, I put it on the outer corner and up into my crease, like on above my crease. Then I put this Agile more into the outer corner of my eye and blend. And then I put this Gentle on my eyelid to bring it out. I'll show you that part because I love the difference it makes for my eyes, because it makes my eyelid actually look bigger because it's a nice light shimmer. So love that color. This is one of my favorite palette colors right here, Fervent, and love that. Love it. Okay, so then Perfect Eyeliner. These are really creamy. They're not scratchy at all like some eyeliners you use. So I put that on my waterline on the bottom and on the top because I want to darken my lash line to make my lashes look even fuller. And you get 3 eyelash products. You get the Serum Lash, Esteem Lash Serum, and it helps your lashes grow, and it works. I use it all the time. My lashes were so tiny that you couldn't even see them before. Now they are just small, but they're probably twice as long as they were before. So I use this when I'm not wearing makeup. You can put it on before you put on your mascara, but I typically don't. I put it on at night, and I put it on days that I'm not using makeup. So, because I like it to go on and sit there and do its work, and it works really good. So then I've got some Epic mascara on top. Now you also get the 3D lash, and it is a two-step process. It's got the transplanting gel and fibers. So you put the transplanting gel on, then the fibers, and then you seal in the fibers with the transplanting gel. Now, I'm gonna say that I don't use this very often. I can, but it's difficult because my lashes are so small, and you put this like on the outer third to outer half of your lashes, and my lashes are small to begin with, so the outer half or outer third of my lashes is like really small. So I don't use it a lot. It takes too much effort for me to find the outer part of my lashes to put this on, so I don't use it a lot. It works really well for people who have lashes that they can put it onto, but I don't use it very often, only if I'm like going all out and I want my lashes to be as long as they can possibly get. It definitely works. So then this lip is Sublime, and it is a liquid lipstick, and it is a matte finish, and this is a nude color, and it dries. So it dries down to a matte finish, and it is resistant. So after 10 minutes or so, it is dry, and it will last. Not like a stain will. It doesn't stain your skin, but it is resistant to drinking and eating. You don't have to put it on or reapply it as often as you would a lipstick. It will resist a lot of things. So that is that. Now you also get a bonbon with it, which I'm not wearing right now. These are like a tinted moisturizer. I'll show you this. This is the one you get in chocolate truffle. And they are really nice for on the go, moisturizing and hydrating and nourishing your lips. I use one every night when I go to bed, or I use the Haughty Lip Serum, but this is what you get in the kit. So as far as some people are thinking about becoming presenters, I joined for smart shopping because I am a smart shopper, because I think shopping smart is the best way to shop, really. So that's why I purchased the kit, because you get all this stuff for a really good deal, and then you get a discount. So I knew I liked the products and I wanted to have the products, and I thought, well, I will just get the kit, and then I can order my stuff, and I get the 20% royalty back. So basically I have a 20% discount on everything I buy. So that's why I bought it, so that I would be a smart shopper. So that's another option. You don't have to become an all-out presenter. You can become a smart shopper like I did, and get your discount back on the stuff you're buying anyways. However, I went on to be a presenter because I enjoy the products and I enjoy sharing them. So I thought, well, if I share them with people and I love them, I know other people will love them, I decided that I would just continue on and become a presenter too. So, not that becoming a presenter is anything different, it's just I guess you add a little more effort to what you're sharing and how you're sharing it. But I am happy to entertain any idea as far as smart shopping goes, because that's where I live, in the smart shopping world. So if you want to be a smart shopper, you can definitely drop me a line and ask me about that. I am really happy for you to be able to do that, because I like to save money. Or if you want to be a kidnapper and just get the kit and all the stuff for the deal, and that's it, be at it. That's fine with me too. Saving money is perfect, and these products are awesome. So, and then if you want to be a presenter, then we can go through all that too. But just send me a line, and if you're thinking about it or on the fence, I can answer some questions maybe. And yeah, I'd love to have any of you have all this great stuff. So in the kit, you also get foundation samples, you get mask samples, you get perfume samples, you get that LED mirror that I just earned. You get that for free, and you get the purse for free. So just to put it in perspective for the deal right now, it's $89 plus you get $26 cash back. So basically $65 out of your pocket. This palette right here, like a quad palette, is $63. So for $2 extra, you're getting all that stuff. So that's Smart Shopping 101 right there. Holy smokes. So this, $63. Everything else, like I don't have the bag, but I have most of all this stuff. So you get all the samples and you get all this, the bag and the mirror for $2. So I just want to point that out. That's all. So I might come on tomorrow or the next day or sometime and do this whole look. I'm really happy with the way the eyes turned out. I really like this palette. It looks really nice. So I will come on and show you maybe later. Okay, bye. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions.